Alright, so we're on day 4. I thought I would share what I've done yesterday that you didn't see. So it's now daylight. So I started trimming the roof. It's in 3 sections, so 1, 2, and then the third one's here. It was too dark to fit that yesterday, so I need to put that on. You saw the rear view camera. I've got the carpet to trim the sides, the doors, and everything. So let's get on with it. Alright, so that's the roof done. It's very dark in here, but I'm pretty sure the grey will lighten up the sides. Alright, so a couple of bits that I want to try and get in today. So the split charger. I'm going to open the down box. So what do we get in it? So we get earth cable, conduit. That's the voltage sensitive relay, so it will, when it gets to 13.3 volts from the alternator, it will start charging, and when it drops below 2.8 I think it stops, or something, or the other way around, vice versa. But it's 140 amp. Get some cable ties, fuse box, mountings, battery terminals, and power cable, and you get crimp terminals as well. So need to try and wire that from the front of the van to over there where the battery's going to go. Alright, so just trimmed this side panel, so I've taken that roof panel off so I can get up behind it. The top of the bed off. I'm going to trim up behind there in a minute. Bit of a break from the old black, isn't it? Alright, so I've even trimmed all around the B pillar here. So this side's ready for the ceiling to go back in. There's all the way up there, so when the carpets and the roof panels there, it should all blend in nicely, hopefully, and that side still looks like shit. Alright, so most of the back of the van's carpeted. I need to build something over here to support this a bit more. Carpet the side door, that's all back in, and then carpet the back doors. Oh, and box all of that in down there as well.